In this guide, you'll learn how to fix Steam download speed drops to 0. Let's get started. First, launch your Steam app. Now click on the Steam option given at the top left. Now navigate to the option settings. Then select downloads and change your download region to the one closest to your location. Then close the window. Next, open the start menu and search for control panel. Set view by to large icons and open network and sharing center. Click change adapter settings. Right click your active Wi-Fi connection. Choose properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Set DNS to use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 and 1.1.1. Then save and close. After that, open command prompt as administrator. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Then type netsh Winsock reset and press enter again. Close the window and restart your PC. Finally, launch Device Manager. Search for it. Launch it. Here you're going to find the option of disk drives. Expand that. Then right click on your drive and go to Properties. Open the Policies tab and uncheck Enable Writing Caching on the device. Then click OK. Once you reopen Steam, your download speed should no longer drop to 0 and download should run normally again. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.